Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create and use Facebook avatar on your mobile.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
The avatar feature for Facebook is currently only available on the mobile app, so you will need a smartphone or tablet with the Facebook app installed. Watch this full video to learn how to make your own Facebook avatar. To begin, open the Facebook application. Tap on the three lines from the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on See More. Now select Avatars at the top. Tap on Next. Now you can personalize your avatar to make it look like you. Select the skin tone you would like your avatar to have. Scroll down to see more options. When you are ready to move on, tap Next at the bottom. Now you can choose a hairstyle. Select short, medium, or long to see the type of hairstyles you prefer. Scroll down to see more options in the category, and tap 1 to apply it. Tap the water droplet at the top of the menu to see hair color options. Scroll down to see more options. To move on, tap through the rest of the icons along the top of the menu. Here you can change your avatar's face shape, complexion, and add lines. Next you can choose an eye shape, eye color, and add makeup if you would like. The next section lets you select an eyebrow shape, and color, and then the also. Then there's eyewear, eyewear color, nose shape, nose ring, mouth, its color, facial hair, and its color. Once you are happy with how your avatar's face is looking, you can move on to the body. Select a body shape. Then pick out an outfit. And add headwear too if you want. You can choose headwear color and earrings. When you are all done and happy with how your avatar looks, tap the Done button in the top right corner. Now tap on Next. Again tap Next. Select a pose. You can share your avatar on your news feed, or send into WhatsApp, or you can skip this. Now you can see your finished avatar. Tap the sticker icon at the top to see stickers featuring your avatar's face. You can send these to your friends in Messenger. If you want to show off your new avatar to your friends, tap the share icon in the top right corner. You can set this avatar as your profile picture, or you can share to your news feed. Select a pose. Then tap on Share to News Feed at the bottom. You can write anything before posting it. Your avatar will then be shared to your Facebook timeline. Now that you have set up your avatar, you can use these fun stickers when commenting on Facebook posts. So in this way, you can create and use Facebook avatar on your mobile. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.